So what is going on, everyone? I'm back at Barnes & Nobles. But before I go in there, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Wakes and Breaks Sports Carts. He hit me up, super generous. He gave me free tickets to an Angel game. I've never met the man. It's just, you know, this hobby is so generous. That's why I love to do giveaways. And I'm gonna be doing another giveaway for 700 subscribers. I've been doing a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and I didn't think I was gonna get to 700 so quick. But like I said, he gave me free tickets to the Angel game tonight. He wasn't able to make it, but big shout out to him. Go give him follows, likes, whatever. I'm gonna tag his Instagram. But yeah, big shout out to him. That's the nicest thing somebody's ever done for me. I think before that, like, somebody might have bought me like a pack of gum. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna try to get a hanger box for 2022 Series 1, so that way I can rip it at the game. Because damn, they'd be taxing at the Angel Stadium. It's $20 for a hanger box. So I'm trying to get one. So I try to use my charm to get two, but I guess I'm not charming. I did have some, I don't think I recorded. Damn, I forgot. Anyway, they had some, and I was able to get one. I asked for two, but she said no, because, you know, they gotta leave some for everybody else. Let's shoot this about to. We're just about an hour late. We made it. Today's gonna be a little bit more difficult to open this pack. Victor Reyes, Joey Gallo, Brady Singer, Juan Soto, Pujols, Pará, Jorge Alfaro, McClanahan, John Gray, Marcus Stroman, Aaron Judge, Cal Rayleigh, Yastrzemski, Alex Bregman, Zach Pop, Drew Smiley, Sean Manea, Luis Gill, Luke Weaver, Garrett Cole, Matt Verling, Shohei Ohtani, put him on top, Michael Tapia, Matt Olson, stars of the MLB, Mike Trout, Wander Franco. Looks like the Angel Stadium brings us good luck. Salvador Perez. Let's see if we got a Wander Franco. Brandon Marsh. And unfortunately, no Wander Franco, no base Wander Franco, but we did get a Brandon Marsh and a Wander Franco. There you go. We're losing 2-1. Bring my gold Taylor Ward, and my man is up to bat right now. Let's go. Hopefully Taylor Ward can get us a nice home run. There it is. He's out. Home run! If I ever get back to this room, room for the Angels. Let's go! Rookie of the year? those tickets. I really appreciate it. My family enjoyed it. We had a blast. I was able to bring my daughter, my wife, and my family. Again, thank you for those tickets. Really appreciate it. It was very kind of you. Something that you definitely didn't have to do.